I am not going back up there again. I don't care what what I have to do. I am not going up there. Hello everybody, it is Randy from the Jacobs Triangle Homestead. Welcome to the channel. I'm not going back up there again. I was just up on the roof of the house because I needed to make some adjustments to the roof jack for the vent pipe to come through. I bought some, oh gosh, there's some pads. There's plastic backed foam pads that are not supposed to slip on a roof. And I thought those would be really good. And they are pretty good. And I bought those to put up on the roof to keep it from slipping, and that roof is just too steep for me. I like to try to convince myself and everybody else that, I'm still a young chicken. But yeah, when I was up there, it's like, no, I'm done with being up here. It's not the height that bothers me. It is the steepness of the roof and the fact that a little slip will put me right over the edge. I mean, there's no stopping. So what I am thinking is the machine that I had rented to put the chimney up on the roof, I'll get that because I can do, the stuff I need to do up on the roof with that. And I don't have to climb around on that roof because, like I said, it's just too steep. I'm not going up there anymore. So that's it. I'm not going up there anymore. So I hope you enjoyed this. This is just a quickie little video. I don't know, let you know that I'm not going up there anymore. So until next time, enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.